Now that our lab's all set up, let's start doing some experiments. Let's start playing around. For the color mixing experiment that we're doing from our book, it's part B. We need this packet of color cards. Let's start with the yellow and blue card, just like the instructions, the steps in our booklet said. So I'm going to open my packet and look through all the cards. Are these yellow and blue? What colors are they? This is yellow, but is that blue? No, that's red. So that's not the card we want just yet. Is this card yellow and blue? What color is this? I see yellow. What color is this? Blue. Yep, that's the card that we need. So I'm going to put that card underneath our clear tray, so we know what colors we're looking for. Now it has blue and yellow together and some question marks. We're going to find out what colors do yellow and blue make when you mix them all up together. The first step, the number one thing we do in our experiment, is take 3 scoops of this blue mixture. Remember the blue jar that we had? And we're going to put it on the tray where the blue circle is. Okay? So that's 1 scoop. Count with me. It's kind of hard to scoop. 2 scoops. And 3 scoops. Remember, we're using the small scoop that we put in our jar earlier when we set up our lab. And we're just going to spread it around so it matches the blue circle. It has to go where the dots are. And then I think we're going to do the same thing with the yellow. So let's grab the yellow jar. How many scoops do you think we need? The book says 3. So we're going to put 3 scoops of the yellow mixture in that circle. So count with me. 1, my tray is sliding. 2, and 3. And let's just spread it all around. So spread it so it covers that yellow circle that we have there, that semicircle. It looks almost like a crescent. I'm going to make sure that it's spread out so it's in the middle too. So I have some colors in the middle. We're going to find out what happens when you mix yellow and blue. So let's spread it out. And then we're going to use this spray bottle and spray the mixture in the middle. What do you think will happen if we mix yellow and blue? Let's find out. So Alicia's going to spray, and Alicia's just going to bring her camera closer so you friends can see what happens with Alicia's lab. So Alicia's going to bring it closer and then tilt it so you can see. Ready? Spray, spray, spray. It's fizzing. Spray, spray, spray. It's making some sounds, and it's actually bubbling. Can you see? What color is it making in the middle? Maybe Alicia should mix it using her stir stick. Just a little bit. That's what the instruction says you can do. You can use the stir stick to mix it up. And you can really wet the mixture too. So she's going to make sure to wet her mixture some more and use her stir stick. It's making a new color in the middle. I wonder what color that is. Can you tell me what color that is? What color is in between yellow and blue? Can you see? Let's get a closer.
What color is that? Do you hear that sound? I see something in the middle. It made green. So yellow and blue together makes green. Maybe Alicia can continue to mix it up just a little bit. Just like that. I'm using my stir stick to mix it instead of my hand. Just in case I have a cut, it will really sting.
Let's try it with some other cards. So I'm going to use this piece of paper towel to just clean off my stick. So I'll wipe it off. Wipe. And I'm going to grab another tray and another card. So we'll say bye-bye to the yellow and blue card. And maybe we can try, what colors are here? Red and blue, that's right. So we're going to do everything we did earlier, but with red and blue. So I'm going to grab another color mixing tray. And please remember, don't use up all of your mixtures because we have other experiments we're going to try. So Lacey's going to grab some of the blue mixture and I'm going to put it on the blue circle. How many do we need again? At least you started pouring. That was 1. We need 3. So let's continue to count. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And Elisa's going to spread it out just like she did before. And then she's going to go for what color was on our card again? Blue and what? Red. You remembered. So we're going to put red on it now. And we're going to do the same thing we did before. That's 1 scoop, 2 scoops, and 3 scoops. And we're just going to spread it all out. Spread it all out and make sure that they overlap in the center. That means that they're touching, that they're starting to touch each other just a little bit. We want these colors to be friends. So let's mix them together just a little bit. Now, like before, we're going to spray it with our water bottle. Ta-da, our spray bottle. What color do you think will come up when we mix red and blue? Red and blue make what color? You think so? Okay, let's give it a try. I'm going to spray. Spray. Let's take a closer look.
Friends, it looks like it's turning purple. That mixture is turning purple. So red and blue make what color? Purple. So Alicia's just gonna clean off her napkin and start again. Clean off her stick and just start again.
Friends, after I cleaned my stick off, I noticed something. Look at these colors on the stick, on the napkin that came off the stick. Look, there's green on the napkin and purple. We've made green and purple. So let's do it again. Let's make some more colors. We've used these colors before. What colors are they? That's right. This is red and this is yellow. So let's put it underneath our tray and let's get started. Remember, it's 3 scoops of each color. So Alicia will 1, 2, and Three scoops of red. And Alicia's going to make sure that she pushes it out into that circle, making sure that some of it reaches the middle so it mixes properly. And then Alicia is going to use the yellow mixture now. 1, 2, and 3. And just push it all around, making sure that the colors touch and some of it goes over the other color. See? So your tray should look like this. Alicia's going to get you a closer look. Now there's only one thing left to do, and that is to spray it. So let's get ready to spray it and see what colors come up. And just make sure to really wet that mixture. Spray, 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 spray. Spray, 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 spray. I hear it bubbling. I see it bubbling. Look, there are tiny bubbles coming up.
Look at all of those bubbles. But hey, I noticed something going on in this middle, in the center of it. There's a new color coming up. Let's see what happens if we mix it together. The red with the yellow. Red with yellow. Oh my goodness, it's my favorite color. It's orange. And that mixture looks kind of dry, so Alicia's going to spray it a little bit more. It's orange, my favorite color.
So now I'm going to clean up. I'm going to wipe it off again. Wipe off my stick, and let's use another color. I wonder what happens if we do this last card. It has all 3 colors on it. It has red, yellow, and blue. What do you think will happen? You think it'll turn that color? Well, let's find out. So Alicia's going to take her tray, her plastic tray, put it on top. And how many scoops of each mixture do we need? That's right, we need 3. So let's start scooping. 1, 2, and 3. 3 scoops of red. 3 scoops of blue. And then 3 scoops of yellow. I'm so excited. I wonder what's going to happen if we mix these 3 together. 1, 2, and 3. So let's push it all in the middle. And let's see what happens if we mix them all together. Push, 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 push. We want it to overlap. That means we want them all mixed up and touching a little bit, just a little bit. So let's find out. Let's spray, spray, spray. I'm going to spray now. It's fizzing. It's bubbling. It's getting really bubbly. Oh, would you look at that? Look at how the colors are mixing in the center, in the middle. Let's take a closer look.
Oh, look at this. It's bubbling. And when I mix it all up, there's red and blue there. It made green. There's orange over here where the red and yellow mixed. There's purple, and then there's this color in the middle. It looks kind of brownish.
That's it, friends. We finished all of our color mixing cards. We've mixed all of these wonderful colors together. We've done red and yellow. We've done blue and yellow. We've done red and blue. And we mixed all 3 together. Until next time, bye.